Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. It's just a one-step process and problem will be solved. You need to go to search bar, type your services and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to select any any services and press V. So once we are here, you will get the VGC services here. So in my system the VGC services is not available. I will show you how it will gonna look it. It's VGC. Okay, so I will show you how to enable it. For example, this is VGC services. Right click on it, select properties. In the general tab, we need to set startup type as automatic. So this everything is for VGC properties. Okay, so this is also applicable for that one also. So set startup type as automatic, then click on start and click on apply and okay. Once done, you need to simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.